my name is Barbara D. I'm out here in Junction City working for Guaranty RV. I wanted to do a video today on this nice little trailer. This is a Jayco product. Jayco's been around for a long time. It's a super nice starter trailer. If you got a small car that only can tow about 3,500 pounds, you're good to go with this little guy. So it's a 154 Jayco bunkhouse. Let's hop inside and take a look. As I open this door, I kind of want to show you a couple of things while we're out here, and that is this awning right here that you see right along the top of it. This is a Dometic awning, and it will allow you to not only pull the awning out into what we call the extended position, you can also lift these footings off of the side of the coach and put it in the patio position and nail it down, and that way you've got an extra trailer. It's just as wide as the trailer is. So this is a cute little unit. Lots of people start out with this particular model. So come on in. So you've got a nice sized table there, and this area also turns down into a bed. So this table is not on those stanchions like you normally see, so you can fold it down. It slides right down in here in between these two storage containers, and then you've got a full-size bed. Lots of storage underneath here. You lift those up and get them out of the way, and you can put blankets and whatnot in there. Some cabinetry above the table area. I like to point out this is solid wood. It's not something that's got a facing on it. Has air conditioning. A nice kitchen, lots of counter space, a great refrigerator. This is a Norcold refrigerator, which is one of the nicest ones out there. It's nice and clean. You've got a freezer here to put a couple of the chicken breasts or some hamburger or hot dogs or whatever your thing is. Nice little microwave. So, you know, it's nice and clean. You can cook something up really in a hurry. You've got a couple of range tops here. This is your heater. And then we've got these really nice bunks. So these bunks are rated for 300 pounds. Each one of them has their own independent light and an outlet. So if your children want to use something, some of their media devices, there's a way to keep them charged up and ready to go. And like I said, this is just a very small trailer. It's 15 feet 4 inches, under 20 feet overall. So you've got this nice pantry in here and a place to put a few things away. And then of course we've got the bathroom. So I'm just going to sit down over here and let the cameraman take a look at it. This unit is equipped with everything that you need to get started. As a matter of fact, it could be your one and only trailer. You can take this up in the woods, you can take it over to the coast, it'll fit anywhere. So come on out, give me a call. My name is Barbara D. I'm at Guaranty. My number is 541-521-4232, and my promise to you is I always answer my phone, even if I'm with another family. I want to help you.